All right, hey guys. So I just want to talk a little bit about this website that I made, Best Web Design New Jersey. I made it kind of as like an experiment. I remember the videos, like the tutorials that I made when I was optimizing it were, I believe, like end of October. So it's been November, December. It's been like around 2 months. I started getting actually phone calls for the website, and I got a new SEO client who owns a law firm from the website. So, and I just want to tell you guys that it's funny because I really didn't do too much. I did create, like a lot of different tier 1 accounts on different, blogs, and I bought citations. I haven't been blogging regularly, to be completely honest. I've been really super, super busy with my real clients, so I didn't really have time to do as much as I thought I was going to do. It is, I got this law firm, and it's actually the town over from where the Google My Business listing is for this website, the Best Web Design New Jersey website. And he needs a new website. He needs SEO, and so it's just a testament that if you follow some of the tips that I had told you, you'll have positive results. I'm trying to think, I may have run some SEO autopilot campaigns, because I am seeing the domain authority is 11, and I think it's gone up a lot, because I think it was like a 2. I mean, not that 11 is really that great, because it's really not. But I have a little cat. I'm sorry, guys. But it has gone up significantly in a short amount of time, considering the fact that I haven't done any work on it. So the other really great news is with my personal website, which is bizmapllc.com. I've gotten a lot of traffic recently, and I've actually gotten 3 more clients, web design SEO clients, just since end of December. So I'm not sure, well, I did do a bunch of really long blog posts that were pretty well written. I did a lot of my off-page SEO, got some links, referring domains. I'm trying to think. I've been working on the reviews with both sites. So I really didn't follow through, to be honest, with the Best Web Design New Jersey website. But even though I didn't work on it like I said I was going to, the results have been amazing. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys